at that weird mark on the lock. Yesterday, Koko and the cats were all at the door. Koko was barking. And the cats ran off scared. They all went and looked at the door and then ran off scared. And by the time I got up and got over here to the door, there was nothing here. And I don't know what had caused it, because nobody had knocked or used a doorbell or anything. But I can see now someone attempted to break off the lock. That's weird. Alright. We are up at a time of day when we are not usually up, because the ambulance was just here and took my father to the hospital. But now Koko says he has to go out and go to the bathroom.